Hello and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So, a noted biochemist, Govindarajan Padmanabhan, who is the former director of Indian Institute of Sciences in Bangalore, he has been chosen as the first recipient of the Vigyan Ratna, which is the topmost award of our country in the category of science. Now, please understand this award, it is among the 33 Rashtra Vigyan Purushkars, or to say the National Science Awards. Apart from Vigyan Ratna, there are 13 Vigyan Shri and 18 Vigyan Yuva Awards. The team Vigyan Purushkar, it is announced for ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 team. Moving on, the former West Bengal Chief Minister and CPIM veteran Buddhadev Bhattacharya, he has passed away at the age of 80. It was in early 2000 that the then Chief Minister, who was also the longest serving Chief Minister for India, Jyoti Basu, he stepped down, and then the reins of power came in his hands. Now, as a CM, he led the left front to consecutive victories both in the elections of 2001 and 2006. ISRO has recently announced that the latest Earth observation satellite, which is EOS-08, it will be launched on board the third and the final developmental flight of its small satellite launch vehicle D3 on 15th of August. The RBI, in a move to boost digital payments and facilitate larger transactions, has increased the upper limit of tax payments through Unified Payments Interface, or to say UPI, to Rs 5 lakh per transaction from the current limit, which is Rs 1 lakh. Government has declared Adi Chunchandgiri in Karnataka and Chulanur in Kerala as peacock sanctuaries. Now let's talk about some international news developments for the day. So first is a very interesting update. UK archaeologists, they've discovered what may be called the world's oldest calendar. So this is essentially in the form of carvings on an ancient pillar some 12,000 years ago. And this discovery, it is made at an archaeological site. It is the Göbekli Tepe archaeological site in the mountains of Anatolia in Turkey. Now please understand, this suggests that people, they were accurately recording dates some 10,000 years ago before it was documented in Greece in 150 BC. Next is a political upheaval in Thailand. So a Thai court, it has ordered dissolution of Progressive Move Forward Party. This is essentially a party which won the last year general election but was barred. So the court made this order while saying that this political party it violated the constitution by proposing an amendment of a law against defaming the country's royalty or the monarchy. The court further added that this order is made because its campaign proposal to amend the law, it amounted to a contempt to the monarchy. And lastly, in an important day related update, so the day concerned is the August Kranti Day 2024. The August Kranti Day, it commemorates the Quit India movement, which steered the Indian movement for independence. So this Quit India movement, it was launched on August 8 back in 1942 during the session of the All India Congress Committee in Bombay. It called for an end to British rule, especially after the Cripps mission, which was led by Sir Stafford Cripps. And today I'm leaving you with a quotation from Mahatma Gandhi. So it says, "Truth alone will endure, all the rest will be swept away, always in the tide of time." So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe until we meet again.